guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to crochet this beautiful flower with a crystal button in the center, and it has 8 petals, and it has the measurement of 4 inches in diameter. And this flower, I use it to embellish my hat. Okay, I use it to embellish my hat, and I will, if you wanted to make the hat also, I will put the link into the description box of this flower later on when I upload it. And yeah, the size of the button is 1 inches in diameter. And okay, I will be using size J, number 6mm crochet hook, a scissor, and a yarn needles, and number 4 medium worsted weight yarn. And okay, to begin, make a chain of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then join it with slip stitch into the beginning chain. And make a chain 3, and into the ring we are going to make 15 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, now I have 16 double crochet into the ring, including the first chain 3. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Now join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 3. And then make a chain 3 and make 5 treble into the same stitch as chain 3, okay? 5 treble, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I have the total of 6, including the first chain 3, 2, 4, 6, and make 1 front post double into the next double. And make 6 treble into the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and make 1 front post double into the next double. Okay, now this is how the petals look like, and make 6 treble into the next double. 1, 2, 3, 6. Front post double into the next. Six treble into the next. One front post double into the next. Six treble into the next. Go ahead and continue your work until you complete the 8 petals for the flower. 2, 4, 5, and more. 6. One front post double into the next. 6 treble into the next. Front post double into the next. 6 treble into the next. Front post double, and then 6 treble, then front post double, and now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait, I completed the 8 petals, and just join it with slip stitch on top of the first chain 3. Join it with slip stitch, and then cut the yarn. Okay, and with the yarn needle, we are going to join the button, okay. Now we are going to tie the back to hold the button. It's very easy, guys, and very pretty. Perfect for embellishing the project that you are making, especially for the hat or for the bags. Now I'm going to wave the tail. Okay, now we're finished. So we have the flower. Okay guys, we have the flower, and as I said, if you want the hat, I am going to put the link of the hat into the description box of the flower. And okay, now we are finished for the day, and I wish you all a happy and fruitful new year to come. And thank you for joining me. See you again for the next video.